Are you a business owner struggling with quarterly TDS compliance? From 10 registration to filing returns and generating from 16 to 16A, TDS can be tricky. Afin Advisory presents the TDS Registration Filing and Compliance Kit, a complete solution to hassle-free TDS management. Instead of handling each service separately, get all TDS compliance under one expert-managed kit and save your time and efforts. Now, what is this TDS Compliance Kit? This kit is designed for businesses of all sizes who want accurate TDS compliance without any stress. It covers 10 registration, quarterly TDS return filings, Challan preparation and Form 1616A generation, all handled by chartered accountant. Now, what included in this kit? Number 1. 10 registration. Get your tax deduction account number, that is TAN, with full support includes application via NSDL portal, document preparation and validation, TAN allotment confirmation, and login credential and expert support. Now, number 2nd point is quarterly TDS return filing. Stay compliant with accurate quarterly filings. We handle filing from 24Q to 26Q or other applicable forms, quarterly wise summary preparation, traces compliant submission, acknowledgement receipts for records, supporting for entries up to 1000. Now, number 3rd is Challan preparation and payment support. Ensure timely payment and tracking of TDS with no penalties. That includes tax computation and TDS rate verification. Challan 281 generation, late fee and interest breach detection, payment reminders for due dates. Now, number 4 is Form 1616A generation. Provide compliant and professional certificates to employees and vendors. Includes traces based from 16 and 16A, download and generation, PAN mapping with deduct list, digital PDF delivery, corrections support if required. Handling TDS separately for each quarter can be complicated and prone to errors. With the TDS registration, filing and compliance kit, all quarterly obligations are managed under one expert package, giving you peace of mind and full compliance. Now, why to choose Afin Advisory for this kit? With Afin Advisory, you can get expert CA guidance for accurate TDS management, end-to-end TAN and return filing support, reminders and breach alerts for timely payments, support for Form 1616A corrections and digital delivery. This kit is perfect for businesses deducting TDS for employees and vendors, startup proprietorship and small companies, accountants or finance teams wanting hassle-free TDS compliance, anyone looking for expert-managed quarterly TDS filing. Focus on your business growth while we handle 10 quarterly filings, challans and Form 1616A professionally. Call us at 919193929390. Visit www.afinadvisory.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more business compliance insights. Thank you.